Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, teachers. I'm Jyoti Prabha Nahat, an assistant teacher of Government High School Tampakala, and I welcome you all to this English virtual class. Well, dear children, today we are going to learn a new thing, and what's that new thing? An unseen passage. Okay, so what is unseen passage? Unseen passage means a passage which you have never seen. Okay, which you haven't crossed even ତମେ ସେଇ passage को केबे देखि नथिबो, but you have to answer some questions followed by that passage. किछि question थिबो passage रे around 5 questions and you have to answer that question, right? And you will find an unseen passage in your examination carries 5 marks. 5 mark ର गोटे unseen passage आसीबो exam रे, and that passage follows 5 questions. 5टा question थिबो. You have to answer those questions from the passage only. Passage को follow करके you have to write the answers. And it is not only for 9th class. केवल 9th रे ही तुम्हारा unseen passage आसे नहीं. You will find unseen passage in your 10th also. दशम श्रेणी रे भी unseen passage आसी थे, and we have to attend that because it carries 5 marks in examination. 5 marks means it's a lot. बहुत mark होते, right? And what we have to do, only find out the answers from the passage. Passage भी हमको answer बाहर करने को पड़े. But what happened? Many students think that attending or appearing unseen passage is too difficult because they never read that. They have never come across that passage. जेहेतु से माने passage केवे पढ़ी न थांती, newly completely new passage था तम मन को पाए. So some of you think that attending an unseen passage is quite difficult. But is that really difficult? So today we will take some passages, around 4 passages, and try to solve those questions which follow those passages. जो passage आमे नहीं थिबा से passage रे थिबा questions को आमे try करिबा solve करिबा पे, and if we can solve, जदि आमे solve करि देबा, that means we know how to solve unseen passage. Okay, so let's see, really solving an unseen passage is difficult or it's a easy task. Okay, so let's go to the smart board and solve some passages. Okay, so dear children, first of all, here I have taken 4 passages. 4 passage nechimu. We will read the passage, also read the questions padiba and solve kariba. Okay, so the first passage is the blind man's lamp. So I would like to request some schools who want to read the passage. Ye passage padiba, please raise your hand and read the passage. What's the passage about? The instruction is read the passage carefully and answer the questions given. A instruction thiba question paper, read the passage carefully, and after that you have to read the questions and answer the questions from the passage. So, which school? Vyasadev High School. Do it. Came out. Okay. Ramu. Yes. Good. Very good. Very good, beta. Yes, beta. Listen. Okay. Pass the microphone someone else. Out the microphone diyo. Say last paragraph ta padhibo. Yes. Pass the microphone someone else and others against me. Yes, very good. Excellent reading. बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ना. Okay. So Ramu was, what was Ramu? Ramu was a blind old man. And one night he came out of his hut. He walked along the road. He had a lamp in his hand. A young man saw Ramu. He came to him and said, Ramu, you are blind. You are foolish also. You can't see, but you are carrying a lamp in your hand. Okay. Then Ramu smiled and said, this lamp is not for me. It is for you and others. They see the lamp and don't knock against me. So this is the passage, right? And now let's see some questions and try to solve the questions. Okay. So let's see what the questions are. So the first question is, who was Ramu? Passage mone rahila?
A blind old man.
Excellent.
A blind old man.
Yes. Okay. If we answer this question in a full sentence, then what will be the sentence? Jodi hame pura vakya re answer deba, what will be the sentence? Yes, option C is correct. But if we answer the question in a full sentence, pura vakya re jodi hame answer deba, then what will be? Yes. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Ramu was a blind old man. Okay. Now come to question number 2. What had he in his hand?
A
Okay, who
stick
can
and
answer?
lamp.
A stick and lamp.
Option C.
Option C. Let's go to the passage. What he had in his
Option B,
hand?
a lamp.
Yes, only a lamp. Don't go to the
Option B.
picture. Okay? Yes. Option B is the right one.
Lamp.
He had a lamp. Okay? He had a lamp in his hand. जदि हमें पूरा वाक्य रे आंसर लिखिबा, then the sentence will be he had a lamp in his hand. Okay. Now come to question number 3. What is the question 3? Who called him foolish? Yes?
Option
A
B,
young man.
a young man.
A
A
young man.
young. Yes, very good. A young man is the right answer. And what will be the full sentence? What will be the full sentence?
The land. The land.
Young
Yes.
man called him foolish.
A young.
Excellent. Yes.
A young man was called
A
him
young
foolish.
man called him
Yes.
foolish.
Was lagiba nahi because there is no was. Okay. So a young man called him foolish is the fully complete answer. Okay. Come to question number 4. What's the 4? Question number 4. Why Ramu had a lamp in his hand? Why he had a lamp in his hand? So the options are to see the road, to repair the lamp, for others so they do not knock against him, to see the lamp. So what's the correct answer?
Option C. Option C.
Option
For
C.
others so they do not.
For others, so
No.
they do not knock against him.
Excellent, very nice. For others, so they do not knock against him. And if we write the sentence in a complete sentence, question in a complete sentence, then the answer will be Ramu had a lamp in his hand for others, so they do not knock against him. Okay. Now come to question number 5. What's the question? You are foolish also. Who shared this statement? Who is the speaker here? Yes? Who is the speaker? You are foolish also.
Young man. Option A.
Option A, a young man. Very good. Excellent.
A young man.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now let's moving forward to passage 2. Second passage हमें पढ़िबा. And now I would like to request some other school. Okay. अन्य कौनसी school पढ़िया ପାଇଁ चेष्टा करो. So what's the passage? The name of the passage topic is The Fox and the Crow. It's also a story and I think you must know about this story. ना story निश्चित रूप से तुम माने जानी थी बा. Still, let's read the passage and also solve the questions which follows that passage. Okay, so who wants to read? Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
Once of
Yes, once a
The Fox and the Crow. Once a fox was very hungry. He went
Good.
in search of food. He came
Yes.
to a garden. There he saw a crow. The crow was sitting on a tree. It had a piece of meat.
piece.
The fox
Piece of meat.
wanted to get that piece of meat from the crow. He said to the crow, "You are
Crow?
a beautiful bird. You sing sweet songs. Please sing me a song." The foolish crow was taken in. It began
in.
to sing. It said, "Cow, cow." The piece of meat fell down. The fox
Fell down.
it up and ran away.
Rain away. Okay, not run away. It's rain away. Very nice. Excellent reading. बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ना. Okay, so once a fox was very hungry. He went in search of food. As he was hungry, so he went in search of food. He came to a garden. There he saw a crow in the garden. Okay, you can see the picture. The crow was sitting on a tree and it had a piece of meat. The fox wanted to get that piece of meat from the crow. So he said to the crow, what he said? You are a beautiful bird. You sing sweet songs. Please sing me a song. The foolish crow was taken in. Taken in hela mani neba, grohan kari neba. Okay. Taken in, it began to sing. And when he sing, it said, ka, ka. The piece of meat fell down. And the fox picked it up and ran away. So this is the passage. And now let's solve some questions related to this passage. So what's the questions? So first one is, where did the fox go? Which one is the correct answer? Subhash Chandra High School?
To a garden.
Excellent. Yes, to a garden. Now tell me what is the completely correct sentence? If we answer the question is a complete sentence, then what will be the sentence? पूरा वाक्य रो उत्तर कौन हो?
Fox go to a garden. The fox go to garden.
को हबो नहीं, just टिके correction करिवे.
The fox went to a garden.
Action. Yes. Went habo, okay? Go plus did, went hejibo. So the answer will be, the fox went to a garden. Very nice. Saraswati Vidya Mandir, excellent. Okay. Question number 2. Yes, Subhash Chandra High School, try to answer. Question number 2. What did he see on the tree? What did he see? A crow. Yes, the right answer is very nice. A crow. Okay, now tell me the sentence. Complete sentence.
He saw on the tree a crow.
He saw.
Saw a crow.
Yes, he saw a crow on the tree. Yes, he saw a crow on the tree. Very nice. Okay, now come to question number 3. What did the fox want to have? The crow, some food, the piece of meat, some fruits.
The piece of meat.
The piece of meat. Yes, good. The piece of meat. Okay, now tell me the sentence. Complete sentence.
The fox wanted the piece of meat.
Very nice. The fox wanted to have. To have अछि to ame to have ko lekhiba. So the fox wanted to have the piece of meat. Very nice. Okay.
Piece of meat.
Now moving to, yes. Question number 4. What happened when the crow began to sing? So the options are, the fox ran away, the piece of meat fell down, the fox listened the song wholeheartedly, and the fox praised the crow. What happened when
The piece
crow
of meat fell down.
Very nice.
The piece of meat fell down.
Yes, the piece of meat fell down. And the complete sentence will be? Yes, what
When
will be
the crow began to sing, the piece of
Yes.
meat fell down.
Excellent, dear. बहुत बढ़िया. When the crow began to sing, the piece of meat fell down. Very nice. Okay. Question number 5. What did the fox do when the piece of meat fell down? So the options are, the fox picked it up, the fox ran away, the fox returned it to the crow, and the fox picked it up and ran away. What did the fox do?
The fox picked it up and ran away.
Ran away. Yes, the fox picked it up and ran away. So what will be the complete sentence? Complete sentence.
When the piece of meat fell down, the fox picked it up and ran away.
Excellent. Which school? Vyasadeva High School. Yeah, excellent. Very nice.
High school.
Excellent, dear. When the piece of meat fell down, the fox picked it up and ran away. So attending on-field sessions difficult ote ki easy ote? Now tell me, attending on-field easy or difficult?
Easy. Easy.
Yes, it's quite easy. But one thing you have to remember, that such type of MCQs will not come to your examination. Exam re MCQ pattern re question asibo nahi. You have to write the sentence. Okay? Only to know you, tame janiba je on-field passages attend kariba very easy. Kana tame answer bachi parucho, and you also able to make sentences. Sentence bahut sundar bhaବରେ easily tame tiyari kari parucho. So जस्ट तमे जानिबा पाई ही मु एमसीक्यू पैटर्न रे क्वेश्चन नेथिली बट रिमेंबर ऑनसीन पैसेज रे एमसीक्यू पैटर्न आसीबो नाही यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर्स फ्रॉम द पैसेज ओनली पैसेज रो आंसर बाछि कि तुमको लिखियो पड़िबो ओके सो लेट्स सी वन मोर पैसेज and try to solve the question okay so the name of the paragraph foolish fool Chand okay who wants to read Acharya School Acharya Harihar School try to read this passage Vyasadev High School
Yes.
excellent well
Yes.
sit down beta sit
Yes.
let's get
Phoolchand was cutting a branch
Yes.
of a tree in his field. While he was
Yeah.
sawing it, a man passed by that field. The man stopped and said, "Oh man, if you continue sawing that branch like this, you will fall down with it." He said so because Phoolchand was sitting on the branch and cutting it at a place between himself and the trunk of the tree. Phoolchand said nothing. He thought, "This is a foolish person. He has no work to do, but he is going about advising others." The
Very
man
nice.
went on his way. Soon after, the branch fell and Phoolchand also went down with it. "My God," he cried, "that man knows the future. I shall ask him how long I am going to live." Phoolchand ran after him, but the man had gone.
Excellent, very good. Here is only one mistake there, that is ran. Ran away, not run away. But it's a good reading, excellent reading. Thank you, very good. Okay, now let's see some questions. Okay, let me read once again this passage, then we will solve some questions. So, Phoolchand was cutting a branch of a tree in his field. While he was sawing hala, you can see the picture. So hala karata re jetebele katanti katha, that is dala, that is sawing or katha. So he was while he was sawing it, a man passed by that field. The man stopped and said, "Oh man, if you continue sawing that branch like this, you will fall down with it." He said so because Phoolchand was sitting on the branch and cutting it at the place between himself and the trunk of the tree. Phoolchand said nothing. He thought, this is a foolish person. He has no work to do, but he is going about advising others. Now the man went on his way. Soon after, the branch fell and Phoolchand also went down with it. "My God," he cried, "that man knows the future. I shall ask him how long I am going to live." Phoolchand ran after him, but the man had gone. Okay, now let's see some questions and solve the questions. So, the first question is, what was Phoolchand doing? What was Phoolchand doing? Let's find the answer from the passage. Where is the answer? What was Phoolchand doing?
Phoolchand was cutting a branch of a tree in his field.
Yes, very good. What was he doing? We have to write Phoolchand was cutting a branch of a tree. In his field लिखिवा दरकार नहीं, पचारी नहीं हमको where, so no need to write in his field. So the answer is Phoolchand was cutting a branch of a tree. Very nice, excellent. Okay, now come to question number 2. What warning did the man give to Phoolchand? Yes, what was the warning? What the man said to Phoolchand? Yes, let's again move to the passage. What he said? What the man said? What is the answer?
"You will
Right,
fall
right.
down with it."
Yes, very good. You will fall down with it. Why? If you continue sawing the branch like this, okay? If you continue sawing the branch like this, you will fall down. So the answer will be What will be the answer? The man warned. Okay, the man warned Fulshan not to cut the branch like that, otherwise he would fall down with that. এইভাবে ভাবে তুমি লেখি পারিবো, otherwise তুমি তুম নিজ ওয়ার্ড কিছু add করিকি भी লেখি পারিবো, কিংবা ট্রাই করিবো पैसेज को completely कॉपी करिबो नाही। हां, अनसीन पैसेज रे निजर वर्ड किछि वर्ब फॉर्म चेंज करिवो किंबा किछि वर्ड्स परिवर्तन करिवो, एक्जेक्टली कॉपी करिवो नाही। सो द आंसर वुड बी लाइक दिस, द मैन वार्नड Fulshan not to cut the branch like that, otherwise he would fall down. Okay, okay, so question number 3. Okay, so how did Fulshan fall down? How did he fall down? How did he fall down? Where's the answer? Where is the answer? Yes? Where is the answer? In which line the answer?
Because Fulshan was sitting on the branch and cutting it a tree.
Yeah, cutting the tree and he fell down. Somehow it is the correct answer, but the branch fell down. Okay, so Fulshan also fell down with it. Your answer is also correct. So what will be the correct answer? Fulshan fell down with the branch. So you can also add Fulshan was cutting the same branch where he was sitting, so that he fell down. Your answer is also fully correct. Okay, nice. Come to question number 4. What did he think about the man? What did Fulshan think about the man? Yes? Subhash Chandra High School, try to answer. Acharya Harihar High School, very nice beta, very good. You may shift. Now Subhash Chandra High School, try to answer. What did he think about the man? Okay, let's go to the passage and find the answer. What did he think? My God. Yes? What did he think about the man? Yes? Some other school? Yes, yes. Subhash Chandra High School, try to answer. My God, that man knows the future. Right? Okay, here is the answer. So, answer hame kenti lekhi pariba? How we can write the answer? He thought, think ru thought hai jibo, right? He thought that the man knows the future. Okay? He thought that the man knows the future. किंबा यदि हमें निजो भाषा किछि देबा निजे ये जो माने फ्यूचर कहंती जानि थांती तांको कोन कहा जाय, फ्यूचर टेलर और फोरटेलर. सो हमें आउ टिके परिवर्तन करी के भी लिखि परिबा. He thought that the man is a foreteller. जो माने भविष्य विषय जानंती किंबा कहि पारंती, they are also called foreteller. यदि तमे जानिथिबो foreteller word, so you can write he thought that the man is a foreteller. Otherwise we can follow the passage and write the answer like this. What is that? He thought that the man knows the future. Okay? Okay. So let's moving towards question number 5. 5 question. Kaun achi? Why did he run after him? Why did Fulshan run after that man? Run after him? Yes, Subhash Chandra High School. Why did Fulshan run after him? ता पछरे से कौन पे जाइथिला? कौन पे जाइथिला? I shall ask him how long I am going to live. Okay? Fulshan ran after him, but the man had gone. Right? So why did he run after him? To know his future? Yes or no? To know his future. Or he ran after him to know how long he is going to live. Passage रे जहाँ exactly दिया है. He ran after him to know how long he is going to live. आउ तक जदि आमे निज भाषा दे के आउ टिके शॉर्ट करिबा, then the answer will be he ran after him to know his future. Okay? In this way, we have to attend on this passage. Okay. Now, let's have another passage, and that is Leo the lion. Okay. Okay. So read the passage.
Once there was a mighty lion named Leo. Leo lived in the jungle with his pride, and he was the strongest and bravest lion of all. Leo was known for his fierce roar and his sharp claws, and all the other animals in the jungle knew to stay out of his way. One day, Leo saw a group of hunters entering the jungle. Leo knew that the hunters were dangerous, and he wanted to protect his home. So he let out a mighty roar and chased the hunters away. Leo was very proud of himself for protecting the jungle, and he knew that he was the true king of the
jungle. Excellent. Very nice. Okay. So, sit down, beta. Sit. Leo the lion. Once there was a mighty lion named Leo. Leo lived in the jungle with his pride, and he was the strongest and the bravest, lion of all. Leo was known for his fierce roar and his sharp claws. And all the other animals in the jungle knew to stay out of its way. One day, Leo saw a group of hunters entering the jungle. Leo knew that the hunters were dangerous, and he wanted to protect his home. So he let out a mighty roar and chased the hunters away. Leo was very proud of himself for protecting the jungle, and he knew that he was the true king of the jungle. So this is the passage, and now let's have some questions and try to solve. Okay. So what's the first question? Who wants to read? Who? Pradhapur, read the question number 1.
What was Leo known for?
Yes.
What was Leo known for?
Okay, what was Leo known for, beta? What will be the answer? What was Leo known for? What the answer is? Let's find the answer from the passage. What the answer?
Leo was known for his fierce roar and his sharp claws.
Very good. Excellent. So the answer is, what will be the answer? Leo was known for his fierce roar and his sharp claws. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Question number 2. Baragarh High School.
What did Leo see one day?
What did Leo see one day? What did he see? What did he see? What the
One
answer?
day Leo saw a group of hunters.
Entering the jungle, right? Entering the, yes. So the answer, what's the answer? Leo saw a group of hunters entering the jungle. One day lagi ba agru kaina one day achi. So one day Leo saw a group of hunters entering the jungle. Very nice, beta. Sit down. Okay, question number 3. Some other school, Baragarh High School. Telendihi High School. Read question number 3. Yes, try to.
What did Leo do after he saw the hunters?
Very nice. What did Leo do after he saw the hunters? Actually, she have a see the hunters. See the hunters. So what did Leo? What did Leo do?
That the hunters were dangerous.
What did Leo? What did Leo do? So he let out a mighty roar. Okay, mighty roar and chased the hunters away. Right? What did Leo do after he saw the hunters? So after he saw the hunters, Leo let out a mighty roar and chased the hunters away. Okay? Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4.
Why was Leo very proud of himself?
Yes, why was Leo very proud of himself? Now let's go to the passage and find the answer where the answer is. Okay. So what will be the answer?
Leo was
Guys.
very proud of himself for protecting the
Very nice. Yes. This is the correct answer. Excellent. Leo was very proud of himself for protecting the jungle. Okay. So the answer will be Leo was very proud of himself because he protected the jungle. As he protected the jungle, that's why he was very proud. Okay. Question number 5. Yes. What's the 5? Question number 5. PS High School Gurundia, read the question. Read the question. What is in 5? Yes. Try to read.
Write down the 3 words that describes Leo the best by
Referring
referring to the
context.
To the
Yes, very nice.
context.
Good. Yes. Write down 3 words that describes Leo the best by referring to the context. Context रे दिया जाइथिबा जो आमे context पढ़ले सेतरे लियो विषय कोन कोन कुहा जाइछि तीनटा वर्ड आमे बाछिबा लियो कोन अटे व्हाट आर द एडजेक्टिव्स यूज्ड फॉर लियो लियो पई कोन कोन कुहा जाइछि यस व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई यस ट्राई टू आंसर लियो विषय कोन कोन कुहा जाइछि व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स दैट डिस्क्राइब लियो द एडजेक्टिव्स यूज्ड फॉर लियो यस सम अदर्स को Subhash Chandra High School. Switch on your microphone, beta. Subhash Chandra High School. So, what are the adjectives or what are the words that describe Leo best? Yes, what are the words? Leo विषय में कुहा जाइछि. Leo कौन हटे? Let me give you one hint. Okay, that is one is mighty. Clear?
study.
Yes, mighty.
There was my
One is mighty. 2 more words. Like mighty, 2 more words which describe Leo. Leo को कहूथिबो. Leo विषय वर्णना करूथिबो. गोटे है शक्तिशाली और विराट बड़ ओके ह्यूज माइटी लायन what are the other words that also yes very good strongest one more one is mighty another one is strongest one more yes try to answer mighty strongest what else he was also the bravest right bravest so these 3 words These 3 words describe Leo in the context. So, write down 3 words that describe Leo based by the referring context. The 3 words are, one is, he was the strongest one in the jungle, and the bravest one, and also mighty. So, 3 words, these are strong, brave, and mighty. Okay? So, in this way, dear children, you have to appear or you have to attend on-scene passage. Remember it. MCQs on-scene passage रे आसे नहीं आसीबो नहीं only for your reference to know how to answer I have taken MCQs from MCQ आसीबो नहीं you have to find the answers that may be in 1 line or in 2 line गोटे sentence कि बा दुईटा sentence तुमको आंसर देबा को पड़िबो but you have to find the answer from the passage only passage रू ही तुमको बाछि के लिखिबा को पड़िबो okay MCQ form रे questions आसीबो नाही and one more thing dear children if you practice at least one passage in a week जदिन सप्ताह रे तुम गोटे भी passage try करो solve करिया पई then you will be a pro definitely you will be able to attain on-scene passage केबे कहीं छाड़ीबे नाही okay so it's my humble request to you all to at least practice a passage one passage at least in a week and definitely you will be do better and one more thing that passage writing is not only for 9th and 10th और 10th रे passage आसीबो then it will end no आगु जाके तुम जति की पढिबो जति एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देबो सबुतरे passage writing आसीबो on-scene passage आसीबो okay so you have to give focus on it as it is very important so that's all for today and thanks for your active participation really you did so good ମୁଁ निजे भाबुतले जे whether you will be able to answer or not but excellently you answer so thanks for today thanks for participating in such a good way okay and at last thank you have a good day